Hello, my name's Kaylin Huntras. I'm the Director of Virtual Training for eSpeakers, and I'm glad you've decided to join us as a member. eSpeakers has been in business for more than 20 years, helping speaking professionals run their business and maximize their exposure. Our members include professional speakers, leaders, teachers, and managers, anyone who leverages the power of the spoken word. We also help meeting planners and conference organizers find talent for their stages. I'm going to show you how to get found by them in the eSpeakers directory by setting up your eSpeakers profile. When you go to eSpeakers.com, you can go to the upper right-hand corner to click Sign In. After signing into your account, there's a lot of different options in here. What I want you to focus on first in this menu on the left-hand side is My Profile. Setting up your profile is the first step to leveraging eSpeakers to grow your speaking business. Now, after showing you how to use the profile, I'll provide additional short training videos on how to use eSpeakers for your marketing, for tracking your calendar, for promoting your virtual presence, and how to use the eSpeakers marketplace to find new leads. Anytime you see this icon, you can click on it to launch a video and learn how to use eSpeakers step by step. My name's Kaylin Huntras, and I look forward to helping you grow your business through eSpeakers.